not your mama. You cannot eat avocados or bananas, etc. Understand me?
Hi, how are y'all? How are you? Are you good? Are you? Whoa, Rachel. Oh, thank you, Rita. It is 6 months, y'all. 6 months. 6 months of streaming. 6 months in front of the camera. Wow. Time sure does fly when you're having fun. It was not my intention. I was just going to stream for a couple of months just to show him and then stop. But in between June the 13th, somewhere along that road, I got hooked. Not just hooked, but I found my place. I found where I belong. I found what I feel is my purpose. And for somebody who's my age, that's huge. It took me all these years. But it matters not how long it took. What matters is that I found it. And I'm not going anywhere. So this 6 months is going to turn into a year as long as I am capable. As long as I draw breath and I'm able to. As long as I am in this situation, as long as I have a camera, electricity, as long as I have a computer, I'm here. 6 months, year, 16 months, 6 years. I'm here. 'Cause I love y'all. I want to be with y'all. 'Cause we're a family. Now, this is not the junk. We've all seen this, right? We've seen this. This is the cotton from 24/7 Cotton by Lion Brand. And this is I Love Cotton by Hobby Lobby. Now, I wanted to try a different cotton. And so I got this cotton. This is Dishie. Who has used Dishie before? I have not. But this is, it's worsted weight, of course. It's cotton. And it's normally by Knit Picks and We Love Cotton, but they also sell on Amazon. So I got this from Amazon. Yes, Dishie is supposed... Ooh. Oh my goodness. Now, I knew about Dishie, but I didn't want to pay the price for it. But I wanted to see. This was reasonable. And it's in a comb. Wow. Forgive me. But I'm just going to tell you the truth, okay? The softness of this compared to this sugar and cream, there is no comparison. This might as well be sandpaper compared to this. I see now why. There is a site that I absolutely love that she has a lot of different dishcloths, and she always uses Dishie. And I see now why. This is the 24/7 cotton. That's what that other white one was. And so my son C. Buddha, he wanted some of the coasters. Remember the coasters that I had made? Lord. But anyway, it was like this. Let me see if I can get it to focus. This. So yes, beautiful. Yes, Rita. So I'm going to make him some out of this style, but out of this. And then maybe this in the Dishie. So that's this. It's called Beats. Anybody like beats for real? My mother used to love beats, but that's what this is, beats. Y'all, I finally got the yarn, the rest of the yarn that I needed to finish my sister's shrug. And I completely forgot to bring the shrug up here so y'all could see it. But I finally got it. Finally. So yes! Finally. Let me go get the shrug. This is my sister's shrug that I'm working on. And I ran out of yarn. I ran out of the yarn. And so I had first run out of this yarn because it's two together. I had first run out of this yarn, got this yarn, and ran out of this one. Now this should be enough because I only need to make one more of these, which is the sleeve, and then attach it, and then do the ridge around. So this is plenty. My eyes are starting to bother me because this is like serious wool. And it's mostly this that's bothering me. This doesn't bother me as much, but it's this. That's in here. So yeah. So that's that. I got these and I will be finishing this. Y'all, I had a headache yesterday. Oh, see, I even started on the sleeve. And I know what I'm using. See, I got my tag, so I know what I'm doing. Now, I got a card. I got a card. And I know this name. It says, Christmas fills our homes with blessings. And it's like all glittery. It's all glittery. This will probably be the only Christmas card I get. Oh, honey. Maxie, I don't write good. So good luck reading. I cannot imagine how much you have changed my life. I was not seeing the brightness life can bring. Thank you. I love you. The card says, wishing you heartfelt joys, happy memories, and heavenly blessings for a delightful Christmas and New Year. From my favorite coloring book. I'm gonna show this.
Be strong.